Alright, so this video is going to show you the very basics of Forecaster. We're going to go ahead and open Forecaster, this little blue and black icon down here. Okay, and you put in your login, Justin, and my password. Now, hopefully it saved my SKU. I have a SKU I found, and it didn't. Let me quick grab a SKU. Hold on. Sorry, this is part of the pains of exiting out of Forecaster to show you how to open it. But we can quickly grab one. So, okay. Here is a SKU. And since it's a SKU, we're going to click search SKU. If it was an ASIN, search ASIN. UPC, and so on. You can also use this search bar for title and say search titles, brand, etc. Okay, so this brings up basic information about a SKU. So I can see all the information. This is the vendor it's tied to. See the SKU, the ASIN. I can even click here, and it brings up in my other screen the page. Okay, so I can go directly to the page. I can see how old it is, 90 to 180. All sorts of things. The title, how many we have in stock, sales in the last 45, active, this is sales last 45 days, so 0, sales lifetime, etc. Now, you can change some fields in here. Other fields you cannot change. You can't change lifetime sales. I don't think so. Let's try it. Oh, you can. Don't change it. There are some fields you can't change. To keep this video short, I'm not going to go and try and find them. But the ones you can change, most important, are cost. Okay, if you need to update cost. If you need to update map, all you do is you double click and you put in 969. Okay. If you need to put in cost, you double click, you put in cost, etc. Let's say it's a bundle. All of a sudden you're going to put in, it's a bundle of 5. You put in 5, and then you hit this, you click enter, you click this bundle button, and it's going to put a check mark here saying you bundled it, and times this cost by 5. So let's revert that. We can scroll over, we can see someone's broken the map here, okay? If you click F1, that shows you some shortcuts. Kind of splitting my screens right now, but that shows you some shortcuts. This is a little more in depth, okay? But we can see reasonings behind why people did things. Why do people break map? When did they break it? Okay, so Jake broke it because others are breaking map on 4/19. Anyways, you can see reasons behind these, and it does go into more, you can go into more depth with every field, but this just gives you a basic overview of the product. All sorts of different columns here to be able to see. Someone DNO'd it, okay? You can see the DNO reason. You can see the rank of the item, the gross margin of it, custom ceiling, custom floor. No one's put anything in there, but you can adjust those too. So if you wanted to slam the cost down, let's say we had to get rid of it for whatever reason, we just had to put a custom ceiling on and get, I don't know, for whatever reason. I could put a custom ceiling on of $1.99, and since break map is checked, it's going to go all the way down to $1.99 and sell the product. I don't want to do that, obviously, right now, but you can do it. You can put a custom floor on, say, I don't want to sell it for lower than, $10, I don't know. Then you can put a custom floor on, it won't do it. But that being said, if break map is not checked and you put a custom ceiling on for less than map, it will not do it because you have to break map first. That's a safety measure. So very basic how to analyze products on the front page of Forecaster and what you can do with them. Okay, so you can do a lot yourself very easily. You just throw in the ASIN, whatever they asked you to, or whatever you got an email for, whatever, and you look at and you pull it up here and you can look into it. You can definitely go into more depth with them. There's a lot here to Forecaster. You can see all these different areas in it. You can look at all sorts of things. But this is the basic front page of Forecaster, and you can do most of the important things from here on a product by product basis. So hopefully that helps, and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.